wait. Okay. Ready?
Eat the cinnamon.
Go.
Oh my gosh! I don't think that's how it was supposed to go. Look at Giselle. That's all right, come on, Lex, get it in your mouth. Eat it. No, it'll be good. Do it. Did you do it? Oh, you did it. Oh. Oh, you have got water right here, girls. Water, girls. Water. Oh my gosh. So girls, what did you think about your experiment? Did you like doing it? Would you recommend it? Are you gonna try to get your sister to do it? Are you gonna try to get Arlo to do it someday, Alexa? All right, say bye.
Bye.